Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Jubilin Ramirez.
How old are you?
I'm 29 years old.
Are you married?
Single.
Okay. Does your parents know that you're applying for Malaysia?
Yes, they know.
Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
One.
How old are he or she?
He. 9 years old.
Okay. What is your educational attainment?
High school grad.
According to your biodata, you are ex-abroad, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In what country?
Dubai.
For how many years?
1 year and 11 months.
Okay, can you tell me your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
Taking care the children, washing clothes, ironing, cleaning house.
Why do you want to work in Malaysia?
To support my family.
Okay, who will take care of your children when you are away?
My mother.
Did you get permission to your mother to work in abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will keep myself busy.
Okay, do you think the work as domestic helper is easy or difficult?
It's easy because I know my work. Difficult because I'm away from my family.
Okay, are you willing to work abroad without day off?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you consider yourself as a foreigner once you go to abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer will need you to do cooking and he will teach you, are you willing to learn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if the children of your employer are naughty, how would you handle them?
I will take care of the children if they're naughty, and I will prepare the food.
Okay, do you have experience in taking care of eldest person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what experience do you have?
I will take the food. I give the food and medicine.
Are you afraid in animals like dog?
No.
What will you do if you accidentally make a mistake with your employer?
I will say sorry.
Okay. How will you prove to your employer that you are a good helper?
I'm hardworking and trustworthy person.
Are you willing to work abroad without using your cell phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree that your employer has a responsibility something's happened to you abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, speaking of honest, how will you show to your employer that you are an honest person?
If I will see the money, I will give back the money to my employer.
Okay, what can you promise your future employer?
I will promise my employer I finish my contract. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.